Okay, I thought I'd make this video because I've looked online and I've looked on YouTube and I haven't been able to find anything that really shows how to remove the rear wheels on the Stockman Cox lawnmower. Now, I actually have gotten these off now, so I'm just going to go through basically what I've done. If you look closely at the shaft, it's got a little tiny chamfer, or taper I should say, on this. It's got a Woodruff key, and inside the wheel it's got the matching taper, the matching keyway. So basically what I did, I used my trusty old propane gas, heated up when it was on the actual wheel, when the wheel was actually on the shaft, heated up around the aluminium, around the area of the shaft, and also I heated the inside of the wheel. Just heated up around the wheel. And then I used some of this stuff, the Loctite LB 8040. It's a freeze release. I sprayed it. Basically, I sprayed it when the wheel was still on. I sprayed a bit onto the shaft, on the back edge and on the front. Sprayed enough so that now what you have is the aluminium is expanded because it's hot, and then I freeze the shaft so that shrinks, and then all I needed to do was get my hammer and just tap on the rim as I turned the wheel around, and it popped off. Came off quite easily. So there you go.